Hi, I am Neha Malhotra, Partner ESG and Sustainability Solutions with Nangia Group. Budget is around the corner and we all are hoping that it will address the dire consequences of climate change that we all are facing. Though the budget will aim at achieving an annual growth rate of over 7% GDP. But does this account for the growth that we may lose to the negative impacts of climate change? Would it still remain 7%? RBI is estimating that the cost of adapting to climate change requires allocating at least 2.5% of the annual GDP for green finance, which will mean that the funding that has to go for projects which are aimed at greening the electricity system, adapting to climate change, all those. A considerable portion of the total budget needs to be allocated to the environmental sector to help the vulnerable communities mitigate and adapt to climate change, which is currently less than 1%. It should be at least up to 4 to 5%, which simply means that allocating more funds to the schemes like Manrega, which will act as water conservation and drought proofing, will have the potential to reduce the vulnerability to climate hazards. Conservation of natural forest ecosystem also assists in combating the climate change. Hence, a mechanism should be put in place to incentivize the states to protect forest resources and provide ecosystem services. Let us wait and see how our Honorable Finance Minister allocates funds to address the issues of climate change, especially mitigating the impact, building resilience to reduce the impact, and also rescuing the vulnerable communities who suffer most from the extreme weathers, both heat waves and floods. Thank you.